Hello，咁上一段片咧就同大家介紹咗呢個倒裝句啦，咁亦都講一講就係最基本就係你用疑問句嗰陣時咧，基本上咧已經係倒裝咗個句子噶啦。咁其實個重點就在於你要抽個助動詞出嚟啦，將個主語原本由個 noun 當 subject 嘅話咧，就會變咗去喺個動詞之後咯，即係用咗個助動詞去將個主語嘅位置啦，係去壓開咗啦，即係用個助動詞或者用一啲唔係 noun 嘅嘢去開頭啦。其實你做倒裝句另一種情況咧，就係你想去強調一啲否定嘅 situation，即係用一啲叫做否定副詞去開頭啦。咁你都會用倒裝句去表示出嚟嘅。譬如有啲咩係否定嘅副詞啦，譬如 never 啊、rarely 啊、not only 啊、hardly 啊。咁呢啲嘅否定副詞咧，我哋都會用呢個倒裝句啦，去強調呢種否定嘅情況嘅。正常嘅語序啦，你可能會話 I have never seen such a picture。咁其實一般嚟講咧，如果你正常呢個語序嘅話咧，其實個 focus 咧係會擺咗喺個 I 嗰度啊嘛，即係你一開始係講 I have never seen such a picture。咁其實個 focus 咧就好後先至會擺喺 never 嗰度嘛，即係人哋一睇呢個句子或者一聽呢個句子啦，就會 focus 咗喺 I 呢個 subject 入邊啦，或者喺 picture 呢個情況嗰度啦。咁但係如果你話倒裝咗佢嘅話咧，你就會話 Never have I seen such a picture。咁你係想強調呢個難得嘅情況咯，即係 never 咧，你擺咗喺前邊啦，你就會當咗做一個句子嘅重心啊。擺喺開頭嘅話咧，會令人嘅感覺就係個強調嘅位係在於 never 呢個幾罕見幾難得嘅情況啦。咁你倒裝句你話 Never have I seen such a picture，咁人哋嘅重點、人哋嘅聚焦嘅位就會擺咗喺 never 呢個難得嘅程度入邊啦。咁例子二嘅話咧，就譬如話 I rarely go to the gym。咁人哋一睇呢個句子，你都係可能 focus 喺 go to the gym 呢件事啦，或者擺喺你嘅身上啦。但係如果你想強調呢個好少發生嘅話咧，你就會話 rarely do I go to the gym。咁你又係見到啦，呢句原本佢係 I rarely go to the gym 啦，係乜都冇噶嘛。咁你就會抽翻個助動詞出嚟，擺翻個 do 喺度噶嚇。咁所以咧，有陣時你見到 have 呢度啦，有助動詞啦，有個 have 啦，咁所以你就會將個助動詞都會擺翻喺前邊，咁啊變咗 never have I seen 咁樣。咁啊，如果你話冇助動詞嘅話，你自己都要加翻個 do 俾佢。跟住例子三啦，亦都係大家可能最常用嘅一個倒裝句嘅句型嚟嘅。其實正常嚟講，你會話 I have studied abroad in America and I have also worked there。咁你倒裝嘅話咧，就會變咗 Not only have I studied abroad in America，but I have also worked there。咁呢度嚟講咧，正常個語序嚟講咧，都係 focus 喺 I 啊，同埋個地點啊，同埋你做乜嘢嗰度啦。但係如果你倒裝咗去嘅話咧，就會 focus 咗喺呢樣嘢係幾唔簡單入邊啊嘛，即係 not only 啊，即係唔單止咁樣。咁個 focus 就擺咗喺話唔單止我喺美國讀過書，我仲喺嗰度工作過。咁個重點其實聽落去已經有啲唔同咗噶啦，其實但係你記住一樣嘢啦，就係你見到都係個助動詞啦，I have studied 啦，變咗做 have I studied 咯。有啲似做問句咁樣嘅，即係你會見到做倒裝句一陣時就會有咁嘅情況，咁啊變咗 not only have I studied。咁另外啦，就係另一個啦，就係譬如你話 the staff refused to change the room and he also ignored my complaints。咁呢個啦，你見到啦，又係啦，佢用過去式嘅啫，simple past tense 嘅啫。咁你倒裝句嘅話，會變咗做 Not only did the staff refuse to change the room, but he also ignored my complaints。咁記住一樣嘢啦，就係呢啲否定嘅副詞咧，一擺喺句首裏邊咧，就要將個助動詞去抽翻出嚟咯。無論佢有冇助動詞都好，即係如果佢本身冇 have 啦，即係你用 simple tense 嗰陣時啦，會抽翻個 did 啊或者 do 啊，甚至乎 will 都可以係㗎，你可以抽翻個 will 出嚟㗎，即係你可以話 not only will I 乜咁樣都得㗎，其實。咁所以記住一樣嘢就係個助動詞好重要咯，係啦，同埋個句首係擺啲乜嘢好重要。常見嘅錯誤嚟講咧，特別喺 not only 嗰度咧會見得好多嘅。其實有啲錯誤嘅位啦，就係話好多同學可能會寫咗 not only studied abroad，but I have also worked there。 咁其實咧係唔得㗎嚇，因為錯係錯在咧，你冇將呢個冇倒裝咗個主語啦，同埋冇咗呢個助動詞啦。咁其實前面嗰部分都要有個主語同埋助動詞喺度㗎。記得助動詞係特別重要啊嚇。咁其實正確嘅寫法咧應該係 Not only have I studied abroad, but I have also worked there 咯。係啦，因為其實你原句其實係話 I have not only studied abroad, but I have also worked there 啊嘛。咁所以記得 not only 擺喺句子嘅前邊咧，就係倒裝嚟嘅。咁助動詞啦，一定要擺翻個助動詞喺前邊，然之後主語係會跟住喺個助動詞後面咯。即係你會將個 subject 擺咗喺助動詞後面，好似問題咁樣啦。咁其實有陣時你用翻正常，即係如果你想 check 自己有冇寫得啱嘅話咧，其實你可以將個句子還原翻，或者諗咗個原句先。就譬如好似話，I not only studied abroad but also worked there。咁其實呢句嚟講啦，你見到你原本你應該會咁寫噶嘛。咁如果你擺喺句首，你倒裝嗰陣時，你就要將個 not only 擺喺前邊啦，然之後要抽翻個助動詞出嚟，即係加咗個 did 喺度啦，即係 not only did I study abroad。咁記得 did 後邊嗰個唔使轉噶嚇，即係如果你前邊嗰個係 simple tense 嘅話咧，你 did 啊 do 啊後邊嗰個嘢咧就唔使再轉噶啦。does 都係㗎，即係如果你前面用嗰 does 嘅話咧，你話 not only does she 嘅話咧，後邊個動詞係唔使加 s 嘅。咁啊，but I also worked there 啦。咁啊，記得個重點就係你要將個 not only 擺前邊啦，然之後抽個助動詞出嚟啦，擺翻個主語喺助動詞後面咁樣去用嘅。OK，咁啊呢一段片可能比較長啦，咁最主要想講一啲就係你常見嘅一啲錯誤啦，同埋一啲否定副詞嘅倒裝句嘅用法嘅。OK，咁我哋下一段片再見啦。